Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So music is basically for everyone, but not all lyrics are meant for every listener. Maybe you have kids in the car, or you just prefer to keep your playlist clean. Amazon Music have a simple solution. It's called the explicit filter. So this setting automatically blocks songs with any explicit content. You know, the ones with the E label. So you only hear clean radio-friendly versions. You can basically go and look for songs and you will be able to see the radio versions of them. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to enable explicit filter in Amazon Music app. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So we're gonna go and start with the mobile app first, since a lot of people are using it. All you're gonna do is go ahead, open it, make sure you log in using your email address and password. Now it's time basically to look in the bottom right corner, tap the settings icon. On some versions it might be under your profile picture or just this icon. Some accounts you can easily access it from like this. Block explicit songs, as you see. It's way easier, but on the app you may want to go through these settings first. Scroll down until you find a section called playback or content restrictions. The exact name can vary slightly depending on your app version. So also look for a toggle switch label explicit content or allow explicit content. To enable the filter, simply tap the toggle so it turns off or gray. Wait, so I will try to explain this more because it can be confusing. If the toggle says allow explicit content and you turn it off, that means you are blocking explicit content. If it says explicit filter and you turn it on, that also blocks it. So the key is when the switch is off or gray, explicit content is totally blocked, and that's what we want. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.